Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or use your browser on Oukitel K13 Pro. So let's check a Google Play Store and try install any app. And here will be in waiting for download, and the app will never download because it will be in this process and forever. And the same is with Google Chrome. So let's try to reach any website like Oukitel, for example. We won't be able to reach it as well. So if we want to fix this, we'll need to go back, move to the settings, then for the system, date and time. Here go for automatic date and time and enable use network provided time. Now if we go back to our Google Play Store and retry downloading this app, it should download any moment. The same is with Google Chrome. We can reload this page and it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.